everyone, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and you're watching Homely Miss. So I have another fun and exciting DIY video for you where I'm going to be crafting sun moon wall hanging which I was eyeing for some time now, and finally in this video I'm going to craft that. And along with this I'm also going to DIY incense stick holder, and all of these would be created out of air dry clay and some paint, and we'll be done. So let's get started. To start with, I am going to take air dry clay and flatten it just like how I did in my earlier videos. Now taking this lid, I will make a round shape. Here's our perfectly round moon. Next, using the same shape, I will create a quarter moon shape. We'll draw this out since I do not have a mold. And then cut it off. Here it goes. Now for the moon wall hanging, I need 3 quarter moons and 2 full moons. So cutting off the rest of the quarter moons from this. Once these are done, then it's time to punch holes for the thread to pass through. Next, for the star wall hanging, I am going to follow the same process and use this lid as a measure for the same width. For this too, I require multiple stars and then punch holes for the thread to pass. I have cut out stars of multiple shapes here and will let it dry. Once dry, Then we'll spray paint it golden using this one from Asian Paints. Let this too dry off. Now using this golden thread, we'll join the moon and stars. Adding in some beads for decoration. Bring it all in line and tie up. For the next DIY, I will again flatten this clay and make small petals like these. In total, I am going to make some 14 to 15 of them in both small and big sizes. Now, taking this round clay base, we'll start adding the petals together. Starting with the sides and then moving inward. Just make sure that a new petal is placed in between the previous ones. In this way, we fill it all together and give it a succulent shape. Now, we'll punch a hole in the center petal for the incense sticks. And then let it dry. Now time to color this green. Once the green base is dry, then we'll border the sides with this lilac color. This will be followed by striking some deeper lilac as shade. And we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have enough inspiration to craft your own home decor. On that note, give this video a like if you have enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you love home decors, DIYs and dream catchers. You can also click on the little bell notification button to be notified every time I upload a video. And guys, stay at home, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.